Chatwoot and Whaticket are customer support platforms designed to streamline communication. The core difference lies in Chatwoot's open source, multi-channel approach versus Whatiket's focus on WhatsApp-centric support with integrated ticket management. Chatwoot is an open source customer engagement platform that centralizes conversations from multiple channels including email, chat, social media, and messaging apps. It works by aggregating customer interactions into a unified inbox, allowing teams to respond efficiently. Its strengths include flexibility, customization through open source code, and support for a wide range of communication channels. Chatwoot also offers automation features like chatbot integration and canned responses, improving response times. However, as a self-hosted or cloud option, it may require technical knowledge for setup and maintenance, which can be a limitation for smaller teams without IT resources. Ideal users are businesses seeking a customizable multi-channel support solution that can scale with their needs, especially those comfortable with open source platforms or with access to developer support. Whaticket is a customer support platform built primarily around WhatsApp messaging, designed to help businesses manage WhatsApp conversations as support tickets. It works by converting WhatsApp chats into organized tickets, which agents can track and resolve within a central dashboard. Whatiket's strengths include seamless WhatsApp integration, easy ticket management, and features tailored to WhatsApp's ecosystem, such as message templates and broadcast lists. This focus makes it particularly effective for companies heavily reliant on WhatsApp for customer communication. However, Whatiket's limitation is its narrower channel scope, as it does not natively support other platforms like email or social media. It's best suited for businesses that prioritize WhatsApp as their main support channel and want a straightforward, ticket-based system without the complexity of multi-channel management. Choosing between Chatwoot and Whaticket depends on your communication needs. Chatwoot excels in multi-channel support, ideal for businesses handling diverse platforms and requiring customization. It offers broader integration and automation, but demands more technical setup. On the other hand, Whaticket simplifies WhatsApp support with a ticketing system that's easy to use and focused. This makes it perfect for companies with a WhatsApp-first strategy, but limits expansion to other channels. If your team needs a flexible, scalable platform covering many channels, Chatwoot is the better fit. If WhatsApp is your primary support tool and simplicity is key, Whaticket offers a streamlined solution. Each has trade-off between channel versatility and focused specialization. Choose Chatwoot if you require a customizable multi-channel platform that grows with your business and supports various communication channels beyond WhatsApp. Option Samurai versus Barchart, which are more than intuitive ticket-based system focused on that channel. Both platforms serve distinct needs, so select the one that aligns best with your communication strategy and team capabilities.